Looking for great yoga pants deals for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the prAna Ashley Legging Pant. Features a body-conscious fit for optimal function thanks to chakra compression fabric. A skinny legging low-rise leave no loose fabric, by prAna. Number 2, the prAna Prism Capri is made with chakra performance fabric for a flattering fit during your next yoga session. Stylized stitching adds sporty flair in 4 colors, while a gusset provides extra mobility. Another great product by prAna. Number 3, the mid-rise and relaxed fit of the prAna Midtown Capri are at home both in and out of the yoga studio. A flattering wide waistband is kept secure by elastic and an adjustable drawcord, while a blend of recycled material and spandex stretches easily and wicks moisture away. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.